All these years I've been dragging and dropping my effects onto my clip face and I didn't have to do that? What? Find out more in a segment I like to call...
This is your quick tip.
Okay, folks, I can't believe I didn't know this, but I didn't know this. In Avid, I would always come over to my effects, not always, but I could select a clip with the red arrow segment mode, double click on my clip, and that would throw the effect onto the clip for me. I didn't have to drag and drop it. And I would use that a lot of times. I didn't know I could do that in Premiere. Okay, so here we are. I am coming over here to my effects bin. I'm gonna grab black and white. I usually would drag and drop it onto the clip face, just like that. Now you can see effect controls, black and white, right there. But, holy moly, I've been doing this in Avid forever, and I was working on Avid, then I came over to Premiere to do something in Premiere, had been clicked on the clip face. So watch, come with me. Let's click on the clip face right there, so it's selected. Then I went over here and I double-clicked black and white, turned it black and white, and I was like, wait, I didn't know Premiere did that. So here it is. I've added the black and white in. Now, I can come over here. Let's say I use FX Factory. I've got a bunch of their effects. I love them. I'm not paid. This channel's not monetized. They're not paying me to say that. I just like their effects. So here we are on FX Factory Pro Blur. So I'm going to double click. Now my clip is still selected. I'm going to double click this blur. Now it's blurred. Now I'm going to come up here to presets. I've created a bunch of presets. Let's go to red wash. I'm going to double click red wash. I'm still selected. My clip's still selected. And I'm going to go double click. Now it's got a red wash on it. If we come over to effect controls, we can see that it is added black and white, the blur, the Lumetri red wash. There you go. It's added all of those. I can't believe it. Crazy. Didn't know I could do that. If you knew that you could do that, I want you to leave me a comment down in the comments that just says, duh. Now, wait a second. Hang on. There's a couple of exceptions, though. So I've created a lot of presets. There's one exception that I can think of. I've created a bunch of presets right here, right? Right here, I've created a bunch of presets. Once I add a preset, like I did with red wash, then when I go to add another preset that I've created, like let's say horizontal flip right here. If I double click this, I know what you're thinking. There's a regular horizontal flip already there. Yes, this is the same one. I created a preset for it, so I didn't have to go searching for it every time. And I could just go to my presets. So if I double click horizontal flip, now it thinks I want to change something about the preset, want to rename it or whatever. So it won't just add it. But if I come over here to the search and I do horizontal flip, and I don't go to preset, but I go to the one that's in the video effects bin, now I can double click and add the horizontal flip. So that's no problem. It's just that I created the preset, and once I've added one preset, it doesn't seem to want to let me double click to add any more presets after that. So just be aware of that. But other than that, if you already knew this trick, and you're gobsmacked at the fact that I am just learning it, leave duh down in the comments. I want to just see a bunch of duhs all the way down, because that's how I feel right now. Oh my goodness gracious. If you know a quick tip that you've discovered for yourself that you were today's years old when you figured it out, leave me that in the comments. I want to know. And don't forget, if these are helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Share this video with your friends. Let them leave duh in the comments. I'd love to be shamed about this very thing. See you in the next video.